One of the most relaxing sounds in the landscape is moving water. That's why water features are so popular. Today I'd like to share with you one of the most outstanding water features I've seen. This water feature encompasses 3 different levels: a multi-tiered fountain, a shallow rocky stream bed, and finally a future koi pond. The circular fountain is composed of different types of ceramic and travertine tiles, and the top of the fountain is beautiful black granite. A small waterfall spills out of the fountain into the stream bed, which is lined with large flagstones and filled with natural river rock. Another waterfall empties into the koi pond, which is lined with earth tone tile and a flagstone ledge. The plant material surrounding the water feature lends a tropical feel. A familiar and popular tropical foliage plant is the shell ginger. I really like the dramatic, irregular variegation of the leaves with their coarse texture and the striking green and creamy yellow streaks. The cutleaf philodendron adds interest and texture with their huge lobed leaves. When combined with the windmill palm, a formal setting is created for the Greek goddess statue. Cosmos adds color by proudly displaying its bright flowers, while a feathery textured foliage pairs with the airy and delicate petals. Listening to the sounds of falling water is the perfect way to relax at the end of the day. I'm horticulturist Gary Bachman for Southern Gardening.